just one final comment on the supposed backlog. We have the information, and it seems like there is a, I don't want to call it insinuation, but it leads you to that conclusion that because of the memorandum circular that was issued in November, the backlog was addressed. The 3,200 something backlog was actually addressed because of that circular. But in truth, it was addressed down to, I think, 9 by simply a stroke of a pen. They immediately canceled these applications. So these applications, Mr. Chairman, is not a result of the memorandum. It was a result of a cancellation, and they were asked to reapply again. So it is in by no means an indication that memorandum circular number 14 really is helping the industry. It was canceled.
Terminating or closing the application due to failure of the developers to comply with the submission of the required documents. It was just there. So what we did is that we tinuruan po namin yung mga regional offices namin on how to process it within the time period of ARTA. Ibig sabihin, huwag kang tatanggap ng application na incomplete. O pag incomplete siya, in-notice of deficiency mo siya, and within period ng completion niya na 5 days, dapat mag-comply siya. Pag hindi siya na-comply, we suspend the application for 25 days, giving them a period of 25 days to comply pa and to revive the application. If they failed pa then, on the 26th day, now it's time for the regional office to terminate the application. Kasi it's a show that the developer is not yet ready to comply with the requirements.